Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. In case you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. On today's episode, I'm so excited because I want to show you my 1-bedroom empty house tour, guys. So in case you missed out on the bed-sitter house tour, please go check it out. I'll put the link in the description box. So without wasting time, let's start this video. So this is the view that you get. Then you'll be met by this door here. You'll have to ring the bell so that you get to be heard from inside. Then you get in. So this is the view. Immediately you get in, we have this space here, which is the sitting room section. It is so spacious, by the way, though the floor is dirty, but it will be cleaned later on. Then immediately leave the sitting room section. On my left you have the bedroom, and this is how it is, guys. You can also see how spacious it is. We have one window to let in the light. Then you also have these cabinets here to store your clothes inside. Let's just check inside, guys. This is how the cabinets have been constructed. They really look nice, by the way. This is how everything is. So when we leave the bedroom, we'll be met by a small corridor. I'll show you. That leads us to the kitchen, and this is how it is. And the brown tile color on the kitchen just gave it its vibe. Like, it ain't shouting too much, and it ain't that dull too. We also have these cabinets here to store your stuffs. This is how they look, guys. You also have these ones for storing foodstuffs, just enough for you, plus this small window here. Then when you leave the kitchen, this is the corridor I was talking about. You'll be made by this sink here to wash your hands, maybe when you leave the toilet, plus this small mirror. Here we have the switches to that light there, and the one for the toilet. So when you get inside the toilet, this is how it is. It is a toilet combined with a bathroom. Okay, I don't know why in the camera it looks small, but in real life it is a bit bigger, spacious too. And the blue tiles also gave it just another different vibe, and I liked it so much. Okay, I had forgotten to show you this. This one is the balcony. And outside we also have this parking section.